But that's one of the hardest things to do, is tell a client, like, look, don't take $1 million, don't take this $2 million that's being offered to you, because I'm confident I can get you more.
Yeah, just hearing those numbers, I would be like, that's a pretty penny to turn down. So I know a lot of times there are healthcare life plans that a doctor sets out. It's like, this is what this injury is going to cost them their whole life from here moving forward, and that plays into the request from the jury to come back with a verdict for. In a case where they're being offered $2 million, but the doctor says it's going to cost them $10 million across the next 20 years of their life, is it ever easier for that person to be like, yeah, if the doctor says it's going to cost me $10 million, I'm going to say no to 2? Or is it still hard for somebody, because $2 million is $2 million, to be like, I'll take the $2 million and risk the other $8 million that it's going to cost me?
I mean, it is a case by case scenario, and yeah, it helps for our clients to be fully informed of what their medical costs will look like in the future, and that's the cost projection. And we bring in experts who help us understand that. And I'll say this, this goes back to me being a paralegal legal assistant. I always notice that the insurance companies have a process. They have a system, and many plaintiffs lawyers, they don't have that. And so it is big insurance company who has a process, and that process is to diminish or minimize the injury, diminish or minimize the money that should be awarded to this person in the legal system. And that's why trial lawyers are equalizers, because they have experts on staff, and they have databases, with tons of motions and documents to file. And so you need someone who's willing to go into trial with the evidence and push back and fight back on behalf of one individual who was injured, who they're trying to make look like, there's no injuries.